Good evening, I'm Rod Cyril de Matera. This is TGTV 15 Network News. Today is May 3, 2004. Here are the headlines for today.
Brookhaven Bank has destroyed, has robber on $1 million, has money, has police station said the police is very angry and will arrested on robber. What happened to do? Gasoline robber big time. The people with the sale on Brookhaven. What happened to do? And for gasoline has been take down of the people has robber and gasoline is time to roll back. Grocery store has taken down the junk food that the people has closed. The grocery store, what happened to this grocery store on Brookhaven? Restaurant, what happened to fire in restaurant on cooking restaurant? What happened to cooking Brookhaven? Has the kitchen has the fire? And many people on Brookhaven housing. The Roblox is the people, many players of Brookhaven.
Let's top stories of Roblox Haven Bank has robber of $1 million or money. Live from Brookhaven on Roblox, here's Kuya Kyle Montaño. Kuya Kyle, what's happened to Brookhaven Bank? Has destroyed on Brookhaven Bank?
Yes, Rod Cyril de Matera, mula po ako sa Roblox sa Brookhaven Bank. At nagnakaw ng 1 million money sa Brookhaven Bank dito sa ilang bahagi ng bank. Pero nagnakaw pa rin ang mga pera na ito sa andito yung mga polis. Pero hindi mahuli ng kanyang kriminal, pero tumakas at hindi niya mahanap ng kanyang kriminal. Sinabi ang mga polis, matapos din hindi niya mahuli at tumago sa ilang lugar dahil sa kanyang suspect.